Have you ever woken up on a Friday morning, ready to conquer your day, only to be met with the dreaded error message when trying to access your bank account? Maybe you planned a big online shopping spree, or that paycheck you desperately need has finally hit, but suddenly, your financial world seems to have vanished into the digital abyss. Fear not, frustrated friend, because this isn't some dystopian nightmare. Technical difficulties with banks happen more often than you might think. So, what do you do when you suspect your bank might be experiencing technical issues? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Capital One and their online presence. Is Capital One currently experiencing technical difficulties, or is it just you? Buckle up, because we're about to become internet detectives, cracking the case of your Capital One account woes. First things first, a little honesty. Tech issues can be frustrating, but before you panic, take a deep breath. There's a good chance the problem isn't on your end. Banks, like any other large organization with a complex online infrastructure, are susceptible to glitches and outages. These outages can range from minor inconveniences that last a few minutes to full-blown system crashes that leave customers locked out for hours. So, how can we tell if Capital One is having a meltdown or if it's just your internet connection acting up? Here's your arsenal of tools. Weapon number 1, Down Detector. This website is your knight in shining armor when it comes to identifying online outages. Down Detector acts as a giant online switchboard, collecting reports from users across the globe about website and app functionality. If Capital One is experiencing widespread issues, Down Detector will be flooded with user reports, painting a clear picture of the situation. Weapon number 2, Social Media. In today's digital age, social media is a treasure trove of information. Head over to Twitter and search for terms like Capital One Down or hashtag Capital One Outage. If there's a widespread issue, you'll likely find a chorus of disgruntled tweets expressing similar frustrations. You can also check Capital One's official social media accounts for any service updates or announcements. Weapon number 3, the official Capital One website. Believe it or not, banks often have a dedicated page on their website specifically for outage information. Head over to the Capital One website and see if they have a service status page or similar. This page will typically display any ongoing technical difficulties and provide an estimated resolution time. Weapon number 4, contact Capital One directly. If all else fails, you can always reach out to Capital One directly. Their customer service representatives can provide you with the latest information on any ongoing technical issues and potentially troubleshoot any problems specific to your account. While this option might take a little longer, it can be a lifesaver if the online resources are unavailable. Now, armed with this newfound knowledge, you've become a warrior against online banking woes. Remember, even if Capital One is experiencing technical difficulties, there's no need to panic. These issues are usually resolved relatively quickly, and most banks will waive any late fees incurred due to the outage. However, if you find yourself constantly battling technical difficulties with your bank, it might be time to consider your options. There are many other financial institutions out there, and it's always good to shop around for the one that best suits your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.